Hey YouTube, it's your boy Nas, aka Supreme, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And apparently I like coming on YouTube looking a hot mess. Like, look, I look like a hot disaster. Yeah. Like, y'all see how much the sides have grown out? Yeah, I look crazy. School has a really stressed. I'm currently like breaking out, and you know, life is just going really like, I don't know. So, you know, but through it all, I'm a bad bitch. And they can't take that away from me. I might fail a test, but I'm a bad bitch and they can't take that away from me. That's the kind of mindset you have to have in 2018. It's already mine. I'm a bad bitch. Can't take that away. Sorry, you can't do it, girl. I'm sorry. You may try, but as hard as you may try, I'm a bad bitch. You cannot take that away from me, okay? Anyway, so apparently you guys are here for this YouTube video on how to get these little luscious curls that I'm either going to tell you that you have right now. From the title, that's what you're here for, so we're just gonna get into it. So first I'm just gonna start by laying my hair down, and the first step to doing that is spritzing it with some water just so the Eco Styler has something to help it slip a little bit easier. So after I'm done doing this, I'm going to get started on a thing you guys all have been waiting for, which is the CurlFormers. Now, I got mine from Amazon for about $59. This is just the long spiral curl. They come in different shapes and sizes, but I really wanted to try this product out for a long time. So yeah. The next thing you're going to want to do is to part your hair in sections. Start working in smaller sections and it's going to make it easier. So to prep our hair for this, I'm just going to start with Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I reviewed this product a while ago where I told you guys how I thought about it, and I like it and it works well. We're going to use this to moisturize our hair for this style. Now, I don't even know why I tried to show y'all how much I'm about to be using, because I ended up adding more, so that was just a complete waste of time. But yeah, I did it because I thought I was trying to be cute, so. So the next thing you're going to want to grab is Jamaican Black Castor Oil or your oil of choice. This is just to lock in that moisture, and it's going to make your hair really shiny once you take them out. So for the best results, you're going to want to detangle your hair. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to follow up with my CreoleOrganics Jazz It Up Custard. This is just to add a little bit of a hold. So now I'm just going to follow that up with Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Free Frizz Mousse. And this is just also to add a little bit more of a hold to your hair for this style. So like I said before, it's easier to work in smaller sections, and I find that I get the best results when doing so. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So what you're going to want to do is your CurlFormer is going to come with a wand and 20 of each color, pink and orange, which is 40 together. And you're just going to want to put this on like so. And you're going to smooth out your hair, twist at the root, and then put the hook where you just twisted, and then slide the CurlFormer on. Now this takes a bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy and it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to show you guys once more. So now you're just going to want to complete this process around the entirety of your head. And yeah, that's about it. So while installing these, you might get something that looks like this. You're just going to want to hold it, pull it out, and then the spiral should come back and form, and you're good to go.
Early the next morning.
So you guys have two options. You can choose to air dry or blow dry them. And this is just how you're going to take them out. You're going to elongate the curl former and then scrunch at the tip and then pull. So just 3 little motions. And you're going to do this around your whole head and take them all out. So I know you guys didn't see me doing this, but actually in the front of my head, I actually put a bow knocker, or I know some people just call them knockers, in the front, just to make it a little bit easier to already have a ponytail in the front. So this is just a slow motion video on how to actually take them out. Once again, like I said, straighten, pinch, and pull. But y'all, look at these curls, look at the shine, look at all of that. Get into the curls, girls, like, and guys. But yes, like, this style is very, very, very cute. And on top of it, it's something to stretch out your hair if you don't really want to use heat. And also, you don't want to over separate your curls, just because the more you manipulate them, the more they will fall. But feel free to fluff them out and space them out just a little bit. But y'all, this is the finished look, and yes. I dressed with those, so I'm looking real cute. I'm gonna eat this on cam. But nah, y'all, this is the finished look. Ready? We went to Papa Do's yesterday. Bomb. But thank you. That is so good, nice. Should I offer you some? You want some? Y'all don't. You can't eat it, but it's good. But thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is the Supremacy. And this Supreme. And let me know what y'all want to see next. That's all that we do. You know? It's what y'all want. I'm gonna give it to y'all. Period.